Good morning, children. So, like yesterday, we all learned how to multiply by a two-digit multiplier. Now, today, we will learn about how to multiply by a three-digit multiplier. Now, let's do it by first example. The question is 268 multiplied by 315. So, as I told you that 268 will be the multiplicand and 315 because it is multiplying to 68. So, 315 will be the multiplier. Now, in three-digit multiplier, we again start from the ones place. So first we will start multiplying from here. 5 eights are 40, 4 carry here and 0 here. 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 4 is 34. Then 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. So we will write 13 here. Now, when we will come to tens place, we will start writing it from tens place. We will leave ones place. So, we will put a cross, or if you want, you can put a 0 also. So, when we start from tens place, we write the answer also. We start writing also from the tens place itself. So, 1 8s are 8, 1 6 are 6, 1 2s are 2. Now, we have to multiply from 3 hundredths. 3 is at hundreds place. So again, this time also we will start writing from hundreds place. We will leave ones, we will leave tens, and we will start writing from hundreds place. See children, it is a very simple logic of leaving the space. In the first one, it starts from ones. So you start writing from ones place. When we multiply from the tens digit, we start writing it also from the tens digit. So we leave the ones place. Then when we multiply the hundreds place, from the hundreds place, we start writing it also from the hundreds place. We leave the ones and tens place. So for hundreds place, 3 eights are 24. 2 carry here and 4 here. Now 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So 2 here and 0 here. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Now put a plus sign and we will add it. So 0 comes here like this. 8 plus 4 is 12. So 1 carry here and 2 here. Then 4 plus 6 10 plus 3 13 and 1 carry is 14. So 1 carry here and 4 here. Then 2 3 4 and then 8 copied like that. So the product is 84,420. So the answer of multiplication is known as product. Alright children, let's do it again with one more example. Now the question is 9078 multiplied by 619. Let's write the multiplicand here on the top and below that multiplier. Now we will start from the ones digit, the digit which is sitting at the ones place. So 9 eights are 72. So 7 carry here and 2 here. 9 sevens are 63. So 63 plus 7 is 70. So 7 here and 0 here. 9 zeros are 0. So whatever carry is there, when any 0 number is there, when we multiply, we get 0. So whatever carry is there, the carry is copied in the same way. So 9 zeros are 0. So 7 will come here automatically. Then 9 nines are 81. So 81 is written like that. Now we are multiplying from the digit which is sitting at tens place. So we will start writing also from the tens place. We will leave this ones place. You can put a 0 also or a cross also. This is not a multiplication sign children. Multiplication sign is only this. This here, this sign means cross. Alright, 1 8s are 8, 1 7s are 7, 1 zeros are 0, 1 9s are 9. Now we start with multiplying with 6. So we will start from writing from the hundreds place. So we will leave ones place and we will leave tens place. Now 6 8s are 48, 6 7s are, alright children, please speak with me. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 4 is 46. Now 6 zeros are again 0. So 4 will come down automatically like this. And 6 9s are 54. Now we will start adding. 2 comes like that only. 8, 0 plus 8 is 8. Then you can add like this. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 and 8 is 22. So 2 carry here and 2 here. Now 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 here. Now you can add like this. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 4 is 21. So 2 carry here and 1 here. Now 4 plus 2 is 6 and 5 is copied like that. So the answer is 56,19,282. So this is the product. Children, I just want to tell one thing to you all, that when we multiply, for that you need to learn the tables. So please just go through the tables once. You should all learn the tables by heart. Alright, let's solve example number 3 together. The question is 5,430 multiplied by 165. Let's do it. 5,430 multiplied by 165. Let's solve it. We will start from ones place. 5 zeros are 0, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, plus 1, 21. Then 5 fives are 25 and 2, 27. Now when we are starting with 6, so we will leave ones place. Now 6 zeros are 0, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, plus 1, 25, 6 fives are 30 and 2, 32. Now we are starting with this 1 which is at hundreds place. So we will leave ones, we will leave tens. We will start writing from hundreds place. Alright, 1 zeros are 0, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4 and 1 fives are 5. Very good. Let's add it. 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, 1 plus 8 is 9, 7 plus 3 10, plus 5 15, then 2 to 4, 4 plus 4 8 and 1 9, 5 plus 3 or 3 plus 5 is 8. So the answer here is, children, 8,95,950. So as you all can see, this is the product. Alright children, so I'll be giving you the questions related to the 3-digit multiplier. Solve them. Let's start today with one more topic. It is a very simple topic. Very easy topic. Multiplying by 10, 100 and 1000. Alright. Let's understand what is this. So to multiply a given number, any number, by 10, what we have to do? Just put 1 0 on the right of the given number. If we have to multiply by 100, put 2 0 on the right of the given number. Then if we have to multiply by 1000, put 3 0 on the right of the given number. Let's see it more clearly by one example. So 468 is the given number. The given number here is 468. We have to multiply it by 10. So you don't have to show the working here. You can directly do it. You can see that this 10, 1 is any number multiplied by 1 is same. So 468 multiplied by 1 will be 468. So what we will do, we will see that how many zeros this 10 has. This 10 has just 1 0. So what we will write the same number and we will put 1 0 here. Means 468 multiplied by 1 is 468 and this 10 has 1 0. So we will just increase 1 0 at the end. Now if we have to multiply 468 by 100, again the number here is 1. So any number multiplied by 1 is the same number. And this 100 has 2 zeros. So what we will do is we will just add 2 zeros on the right side of the given number. So this is 46,800. Now if we have to multiply 468 by 1000, so this 1000 has how many zeros, children? 3 zeros. So what we will increase? We will just increase 3 zeros on the right hand side of the given number. Let's do it together. 139 multiplied by 10 gives 1390, which is 1390. If we have to multiply it by 100, so again 139 multiplied by 1 will be 139 and we will just increase 2 zeros. Then if we have to multiply it by 1000, then again 139 multiplied by 1 will be 139 and how many zeros? 3 zeros. So can you all see how simple this is? Now one more thing which I would like to explain you all. Now look at this. If the question is 694 multiplied by 20, the question was that when we were doing it by 10, 100 and 1000, the multiplier there was 1. So any number multiplied by 1 gives the same number. But here you all can see that the digit is 2 and 0. So 0 we will add. But we have to multiply this number by 2. So 694 multiplied by 20. So 20 we can break. 2 into 10, 20. So what we can do is, we can 694, we will multiply this by 2. First, we will multiply 694 by 2. So 694 by 2, we will multiply. The answer will come 1388. And it has 1 0, so we will increase 1 0. So the answer will be 13,880. Let's understand it. 564 multiplied by 400. So this 564 we will first multiply it by 4. Only 4. So 564 multiplied by 4 is 2256. And 400 has 2 zeros. These 2 zeros we will add 2 zeros. Because we broke 400 into 4 into 100. So this 100 has 2 zeros, so we added 2 zeros. So the answer is 2,25,600. Now similarly, our next question is 7,961 multiplied by 30. So what we will do, we will break this 30 in 3 into 10. So 7,961 multiplied by 3 in bracket. And we broke this 30 into 3 into 10. So 3 multiplied by 10. So we will first multiply this. So as you all know, we start multiplying from the ones place only. So 3 ones are 3, 3 six are 18, 3 nines are 27 plus 1 28, 3 sevens are 21, 21 and 2 23. This is the answer of multiplying by 3, and we have to increase one zero, so we will just simply increase one zero. So the answer here is 2,38,830. Now our next example, 452 multiplied by 800. So what we are going to do, first we will multiply this by 8. So we will break this 800 in 8 into 100. So 452 multiplied by 8 in bracket and then into 100 because it has two zeros. So first we will multiply. We'll start it from the ones place. 8 twos are 16. 8 fives are 40 plus 1, 41. 8 fours are 32 plus 4, 36. So this was the answer of this multiplication, but then we have to multiply it by 100 also, so we will just increase two zeros. So the answer here is 3,61,600. I hope this multiplication is clear to you all. You can have a look at once. You can have a look at this also and try to have a look at this also once again. Multiplying by 3-digit multiplier, and then the next topic was multiplying by 10, 100 and 1000. I hope children both the things are clear to you. I have given you questions related to this in your assignment. You can solve. Thank you.